Oh God, I look like a mess.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my bathroom. My name is Allie, and I have ADHD. Thanks for joining me today. I really appreciate it. My haircut's a couple days in on it, and I still absolutely love it. I think it's super cute. I'm getting better with my angles. I will be bleaching my hair today. I'm very excited. I haven't done this in a while, but it should be fairly easy. And let's go!
I am on my way to Sally's now because I got Developer from Amazon, but it looked like half used. Honestly, I only ordered it from Amazon because I was trying to be lazy because I was doing a bunch of running for other stuff. I'm like, I didn't want to go anywhere else. But so I've made the decision to go ahead and just run to Sally's. I just need Developer. I might pick up another color while I'm there, but I don't think so. So let's go. I'm going to show you guys, I painted my toenails this morning. They look so cute. Look at these little red toes. Okay, back to drive. Okay, so I just got out of Sally's. I got a little distracted. When shopping with ADHD is like, really excited, put it all together, and we will do everything that I need to do. First thing that I did is I set up this whole tray. Life hack is that this is like one of those lap desks that you like study on, but I put that over the sink so it gives me a full tabletop. So if you don't have an actual counter in your bathroom and you just have like a little vanity, this is amazing. I have all of my supplies set up. I have tons of clips, bowls, tint brushes. I have some Vaseline. I have 2 tubs of bleach. Now, no, I will not need this much bleach, but one of them is half empty. I have some brushes. I have some gloves. I have one of those things you put on your head to process it. A little plastic shower cap to put on my hair while it's processing. I have a little spray bottle. You spray the inside of it. Helps heat up your head. I have a 10 volume developer that I'm going to be using on my head. I have a 20 volume developer that I'm going to be using on my extensions. And I also got into clothes that I don't mind dyeing. Obviously I have hair dye here. I also removed the rugs out of my bathroom because I'm always terrified that I am going to bleach those. I also have some old towels. Now that I have shown you all of my materials, I'm going to start by brushing my hair. You don't want to damage your scalp when you are bleaching, so I'm just using a paddle brush so that it is nice and gentle to my scalp. Going to start off by sectioning my hair.
Haven't really figured out exactly how I'm going to section it. I just kind of section whatever I want to.
But it's important not to try and lump it all in one. And then after I am done sectioning, I will mix the bleach.
In order for my hair to process more evenly and so it's easier for me to apply it, I section my hair into 6 separate sections. So I separate it down the middle. Then I take those 2 halves and separate them into 3 sections each. That way it is much easier to tackle.
Sectioned into 6 parts. Now I am going to make my bleach mixture. I am mixing L'Oreal Quick Blue lightening powder with 10 volume cream developer, and I am going to make 2 bowls of it because I like to lay it on really thick and I always end up not having enough and having to make it halfway through, so I'd rather just make more than I need to start with.
With bleach, you want the consistency to be a little bit thicker, like yogurt would be the easiest thing to compare it to, but make sure there are absolutely no lumps.
Sorry for the fan, it might be a little bit noisy, but It is really important when you are mixing bleach to have good ventilated area. But now that the bleach is done, first thing I'm gonna do is kind of protect myself a little bit by putting on, this is just an old towel. If you have a hair dyeing cape, that works perfectly fine as well. Then I just take crocodile clip and I clip that so that it stays. I'm going to take some Vaseline, apply it to my face, but only at the hairline. Trying not to get it on the hair, on my ears. I'm gonna do it on the back of my neck a little bit too. Now that I have the Vaseline on, I am going to take these gloves off because I don't like them all slippery. I have gloves, I have all the protection that I need now. Let's get started. I'm gonna start with the back and then I'll work my way forward because I get very easily frustrated. I wanna make sure that I get this done first because sometimes by the time I'm done doing my whole head, I've just given up and I just kind of do whatever and just like slap stuff on the back, but I'll never do that to my front because I'm too cautious. I want the front to look good, so I start with the back so I have the most momentum going there. Good ADHD tip for you. Have the bleach applied to all of my ends and mids all around the house. All around the house.
All around house.
Okay, but seriously, I have the bleach applied to the ends and mids. My hair is very fine and very thin, so I only let it sit for about 5 minutes, then I'm gonna go in and do the roots, otherwise they will end up different colors. I'm going to go back through the sections the same way I did for the mids and ends to do the roots.
I am starting on the back and working my way forward. I am trying to saturate each strand with a lot of bleach so that I can get a good lift. And of course, I run out of bleach, so I had to mix some more to finish the front.
Don't let it process super long because my hair is very fine. It's not exactly how I normally do it, so I'm hoping that it's gonna turn out okay. I think that I might have some patchiness up front. I was also having issues with this hair cap because I have all the hair like blumped. I have it all like lumped together instead of having the clips. The bag didn't have anything to rest on, so it's resting directly on my hair, and that's not what I want it to do. I want the bag to sit above my hair so it'll create steam with that water and process it more evenly. But with the bag touching it in some places, I may end up with some spottiness there too. I don't know, but again, this isn't professional. I have no idea what I'm actually doing. I'm just going off of what I've done for years. I know that it's not right, but hey, we all do the best that we can. But I'm going to let this process for probably about 25 minutes, and then we will be back. Whoosh.
I was sitting here while it's still processing, and I forgot to tell you that it is very important not to itch your head. Just don't touch it because it's going to feel kind of itchy, especially the way that I applied it, really close to the scalp, basically on the scalp. I promise you're going to be okay. Don't itch it.
Just don't itch it. Don't itch it. Don't itch it.
But let's see what it looks like. Looks fairly even, looks pretty well processed. There's a couple spots in the front that might be patchy. Let's rinse it off and find out.
It's really important when you are washing bleach out that you are not too rough on your scalp. You don't want to make any abrasions or cause any irritations. So I use a little bit of shampoo, but I don't lather too hard and irritate my scalp any further.
It looks really good. It's not completely even, but it came out
really light, little bit of like oranginess here, like on the crown. And I think that that's honestly from how I put my hair in the cap. I like took all my hair and I like smooshed it up like this. So I think underneath it didn't get as hot and process as well. So it didn't pull as much. But I mean, all in all, it looks really nice. I am going to put a deep conditioning cream on it, and then I will show you what it looks like dry.
After I apply the mixture, I take a wide tooth comb and comb it through, take a hair towel, wrap my hair up in it, and then I sleep with this overnight.
And this is the final look. I haven't washed the hair mask out yet, so my hair looks a little greasy. And I put some heat protectant on and went ahead and I straightened my hair. I really, really like it. I think that's really all I have to say. I'm impressed with myself. Honestly, I think it's turned out better than I've ever done it before.
Thank you for going on this journey with me. God, I'm so stupid.
Thank you for going on this journey with me. It is much appreciated. And make sure you are subscribed and you click that notification bell so you can be notified when the next adventure will be. I hope you guys got some helpful tips or some laughs, I don't know, whatever. Leave in the comments down below what colors you think I'm gonna dye my hair. I'd love to hear. All right, I love you guys. I will see you next time when we come back to color my hair. Bye, guys.